In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify payment method in Cursor AI. So what you're going to do, open up Cursor AI and log into your account. So once you've logged into your Cursor AI account here, once you're on your dashboard here, you'll get a similar screen like this. So what we're going to do, on your left side menu here, click billing and invoices. So click on the billing and invoices option and you will get to this screen here. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on manage subscription, which is on your right side here. Click on manage subscription. When you click on manage subscription, you'll get to this page here. So here under payment method, you will see all the payment method that you have added already. So you can simply click on it to edit it and make any changes to it. You can just click on it by editing it. Okay, so you can just click on it and then edit it, that's fine. Or alternatively, if you want to add a payment method, then you can click on this add payment method option as well, and then plug in your new payment method option, new payment method, and then the details of it. Once you're done that, and all you have to do is hit on add, and then you will see that your new payment method will reflect here, and you can simply edit or delete your previous or existing one, and that's how you can modify it.